Brad Williams, Excel Prime, old school. You need to understand how this works without the newer tools. We use text before, text after, and text split. But before that introduction of those newer tools, this is how you would show all text before the comma. We would use left, B5, search, B5 -1. I threw in this if there just so we don't have to deal with those NAs. That's how you do it. Am I going to explain this to you? No. Over here, the narrative will. Read it if you need it. This is all new to you. And after reading this narrative, you're still lost. Look at my formulas tutorial. And this is a beginner stuff. Take a look at that particular tutorial. If not, there's an intermediate and an advanced if this is all foreign to you. Brad Williams, Excel Primed. Thanks for watching.